Welcome guys, this is Claudette with Miss Puff Creative Corner, and today's technique I'm going to be showing you how to emboss using ink, and it's going to be a beautiful design. So some of you may already know how to ink up your embossing folder with ink, and then you ink up one side and you get this beautiful creation. But today we're going to ink up both sides, and we're going to look at the deboss side and the emboss side. Instead of inking up one side, we're going to ink up both sides. So I'm just taking a blending brush, and you could take your pad and take that pad and put it directly to your embossing folder. So I'm just using a pink here and getting that all over my embossing folder. And I can't remember the name of this embossing folder, but it's a floral embossing folder by Stampin' Up, which is retired. But I think the ones with the floral prints are the most beautiful ones that comes out. So we're going to go ahead and ink up both sides. And I think this way, when you're using your blending brush, you get an even distribution of your ink, versus some people take the ink pad and they drag it across the folder, and you probably get much more ink in here and darker. And I have done that technique, but in this one I'm just going to use my brush. So what I'm going to do next is take my cardstock, put it there in the center, and then you have this line right here to keep it straight, and we're going to close that down. We're going to bring our embossing machine in, and then we're going to run that through our embossing machine. See, we have our emboss side. This is a raised side, and then we have the deboss side. So you could look and see which side, instead of inking up one side, you ink up both sides, whereas you could see which side you prefer, which side you like to create your card with. Okay, so I also did one in the blue, since the pink is a little lighter, and so you could see the embossed side, the raised side, how it looks. You see more of that white, and then the lower level you see more of the blue. Now the debossed side is the indented side here. I hope that was a helpful technique for you guys today. I hope you got creative values from today's video. If you guys are new to my channel and you like to see techniques like this, go ahead and hit that subscribe button as well as the bell icon so you can be notified when I upload my latest videos. Thank you guys for tuning in. This is Claudette, and I'll catch you guys on my next video.